Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Just for Math. In this video, I want to discuss rules of differentiation. This is the second part, and which we are going to focus on the product rule. In the first part of the video on rules of differentiation, I explained the chain rule. Let's discuss the product rule quickly. Okay, I'll begin by giving you the statement. If y is a function of v, where u and v are both functions of x, u and v are both functions of x, then the first derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to u dv dx plus v du dx. Now, these can also be expressed as y prime equal to u v prime plus v u prime. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do now is to take some examples, solve the examples by applying the formula, then solve it directly without without showing all the steps involved in applying the formula, rather by solving some problems in your head or solving some steps in your head and getting your answer quickly. So here is what is referred to as the product rule. Let's take some examples. 1. If y is equal to 3x minus 4 times, say, x plus 5 raised to the power 6, find y prime. It means differentiate y with respect to x. Alright, let's solve this quickly. Solution. Okay, since in this case y is a function of the product of two functions of x, we represent the first expression in the bracket as u, 3x minus 4, and also the second expression to be v, x plus 5 raised to the power 6. Differentiate u with respect to x. This should be equal to 3. Remember, by applying the direct rule of differentiation, differentiate this linear expression with respect to x. Differentiate 3x, that will be 3. The derivative of 4 is 0 because 4 is a constant. Differentiate v with respect to x, dv dx. Now, to do this, we have to apply the direct method of differentiating functions of a function. Remember how I taught in the previous video. Differentiate the expression in the bracket, that is 1, multiply that derivative by the power of the expression 6, write the expression and subtract 1 from the power. So it means this derivative is 6x plus 5 raised to the power 5. Now that we have the derivative of u with respect to x and the derivative of v with respect to x, then we can solve the derivative of y with respect to x, and that is equal to the product of u by and the derivative of v with respect to x plus the product of v and the derivative of u with respect to x. U is 3x minus 4 and the derivative of v with respect to x is 6 times x plus 5 raised to the power 5 plus v is x plus 5 raised to the power 6 times the derivative of u with respect to x, which is 3. Now let's simplify this further. Notice we have x plus 5 raised to the power we have x plus 5 raised to the power 5 common to both sides of the expression, so we can factor that out. And this is not just that, 3 is also common. Let's factor out 3. Okay, let me do that with a different color. We're factoring out 3 times x plus 5 raised to the power 5. That is common to both sides of the equation, so this will become 6 times 3x minus 4, okay, plus x plus 5, because one of these is already out of the bracket. Okay, I hope you guys are following. All right, next we simplify the expression in the square bracket. Then we have this to be 3 times x plus 5 raised to the power 5 times 18x, because 6 times 3x is 18, minus 24 plus x plus 5. All right, let's continue here, and this is going to be equal to 3 times x plus 5 raised to the power 5 times 19x, because 18 times x, 18x plus x is 19x, okay, minus 19. All right, so this is the first derivative of the given function, 3x minus 4 times x plus 5 all raised to the power 6, by applying the formula, the product rule, in solving this particular question. Now let's see the direct application of the rule without putting pen, without writing down all the steps. So we have y already, which is 3x minus 4 times x plus 5 raised to the power 6. To solve for y prime, you state in your mind that you keep u, which is 3x minus 4, you differentiate v, which will be 6 times x plus 5 raised to the power 5, plus you keep v and differentiate u. The derivative of u is 3 times x plus 5 raised to the power 6. And when you factor out the common term, which is 3 times x plus 5 raised to the power 5, you'll be left with 6 times 3x minus 4, okay, plus x plus 5, right? And with this, your answer will be equal to 3 times x plus 5 raised to the power 5, okay, times 18x, you know, minus 24 plus x plus 5, all right, which is finally going to be equal to 3 times x plus 5 raised to the power 5 times 19x, excuse me, times 19x minus 19, and that is same thing as the answer we have above. So with this direct method, you can actually solve so many questions that don't require further simplification with just 2 or 1 steps, okay, in just 1 or 2 steps rather. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. In our next lesson, in our next video, I'm going to talk about the quotient rule. Okay, if you do enjoy this video, remember to like, share, drop a comment at the end or at the comment box, and also subscribe to this channel. Have a wonderful day, guys. Enjoy yourself. Bye bye.